Growing up, I thought being rich meant having a high salary, a fancy job, or winning the lottery. But the truth, rich people don't just earn differently. They think differently. Most people see money as something to spend. Rich people see money as something to use. When most people get paid, they think, where can I spend this? Rich people ask, how can I multiply this? They don't work for money forever. They make money work for them. They invest. They build assets. They don't chase every trend. They create value. Most people fear risk. Rich people manage risk by learning and growing. They don't just save, they leverage. Here's what changed for me. I stopped seeing money as the end goal. I started seeing it as a tool. To buy freedom, not stuff. To create choices, not pressure. That one mindset shift, it changed everything. So if you want to build real wealth, don't just earn more. Think differently.